Hello friends, I'm coming in here because I want to talk about posting and being consistent. So I know there's a lot of us that struggle with this, right? So I want to give you a couple little pointers and just a little pep talk, motivation, all of it. You don't have to post every single day if you can't. Don't overwhelm yourself and then cut yourself off at the knees because you're like, I just can't even try it because I know I can't do it every day. If you can commit to like 3 days a week, that's fine. Do it. Just be consistent about it is the key, okay? So let's say Monday, Wednesday, Friday, those are the days, and that's all you can do. If you know there's a certain time and day during the week that you have like even a half-hour slot, you can start to write some stuff down in your notes so you have some content or ideas. Maybe get some pictures together, post them in your gather them and put them in your albums. Then it's all sectioned together and you already have it ready to go. What I would also recommend is set an alarm on your phone. If you set an alarm on your phone, it'll help you remember. You can set it for half an hour beforehand, just so you can get prepared, get in the right mindset, and have fun with this. I offer a content planner. If you sign up in my mailing page, you get like content ideas. I also have a 3-month content planner calendar that I sell that is great because it gives you like never-ending ideas. So I know some people get stumped and I'm like, we're hairstylists. There's so many things we can actually post about. I mean, if you sat down and just brainstormed for a little bit, it's like never-ending possibilities for us, really. And a huge tip that I want to give you guys is if you can post content of value, that is huge. Now, I know some people think of this and they're like, content of value, what does that even mean? You post something that people can use. Whether it makes them think, maybe it educates them on their hair, how to do their hair. I mean, there's so many things. How do I curl my hair? How do I get a specific type of curl? How to wash your hair properly? What shampoos do I actually need? I don't know how many people didn't know how to do conditioner the correct way. And that one I bring up all the time because it's funny. Every time I post it, whether it's in my stories or in my just regular feed, excuse me, so many people chime in every time and they're like, I had no idea. Like, that's how I'm supposed to use my conditioner? Like, yeah. So if you get your mind going and get your mind set in that direction, you can really kind of run with it. So I just want you to know, it can be fun and it can be overwhelming. It's all mindset. Mindset and how you perceive things is everything. So if you go into it like, all right, this is gonna be fun. I'm serving my clients. This is huge. If you're in that mindset, that is so huge, and people connect more with that, and you can have fun with it. That is enormous. Have fun. Because if you're dreading this and hating it, nope. Take a step back. So committing to 3 days a week is really not that unrealistic. I mean, I feel like anybody can do that. Coming from a mom, wife, I have 2 kids that are like Irish twins, and I run a couple businesses. Life is demanding. So scheduling life is so important. I will say I do like a daily planner, but I even have one that's like hourly. And I avoided it for so long, and I knew I needed to do it. Why do we not do these things when we know we need them so bad, right? And I finally did it, and it's been a game changer. It's allowed me to see where exactly I have the time to get in and do it. So I hope this is helpful, and I just want to say thank you, and I'll talk to you later.